Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this stylish 208 in the GT line specification. So this car comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, there's tinted rear windows and rear parking sensors. Inside the car you've got a half leather interior with a red GT line style stitching. The 7-inch touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers, and you get cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's done under 19,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.